Next, I want to talk about something that NewTek launched called NewTek TV. And NewTek TV is really fantastic. They're doing some really great programming, and they're giving you techs and tips on the products. But what I really like a lot is that they're really matching their shows towards verticals. So they've done shows for corporate video. They've done shows for church video. They've done shows for education. And these are not short little 5-minute clips. These are meant to be deeper dives for people who really want to focus in on the technology. And the customer stories are important, but the other thing that NewTek's doing that I think is really cool is that anyone can book a live demonstration of NewTek technology with NewTek through their website. Isn't that cool, Glenn?
Yeah, no, it's great. I mean, even if I've known some people that have done it that already kind of know the product, but they've done it to kind of see some other things. It makes it real easy to kind of learn what the product can do. And there's a lot of old NewTeks out there, a lot of old TriCasters out there. It's a great time for them to kind of look and say, okay, what's new that I'm missing about the features? It's just really easy to do. Sign up right on their website for a demo.